Hello and good evening, everybody. This is Travis here at Kenyon Auto and Classics, and I am about to show you a gorgeous car. 1969 Ford Mustang Mach 1 Fastback. This car has a 351 cubic inch V8 engine. It was previously part of a private collection. As we go around this, you're going to see all the things that make this car special. I will try to tell you about them, but it doesn't take much to see for yourself what we're looking at. This car has been redone in what is referred to as Wimbledon white. It has a dark red interior. It has new front suspension, which was just installed this year, and that includes billet coilover shocks. It has new OEM brakes on the front and rear, a brand new fuel pump, new aluminum radiator, new battery. You've got the Mustang torque thrust style wheels right here. A set of Goodyear Eagle GT2 tires with basically full tread on them. And look at the lines on this car. I mean, that's the thing that we want to see, right, with these cars. The lines, the gaps, the doors, the jambs, the seal, underneath, on top. This car is got all the angles covered that you want. You've got the badging on it there. That looks great. Look at the bumper. The chrome on this is no different than if you put this bumper on yesterday. The bezels around the tail lights. You've got those slotted rear window covers there, and I'm sorry, I forget what those are actually called. Some of you out there can go ahead and leave that in the comments and make fun of me for not knowing that. That's okay. I'm still learning. Let's open this up and take a look. Just right down to even the individual little badges. Look at this. Sorry there, gimbal freak out for a second. Sill plate looks great. You've got this dark red interior. The seats are really nice, actually, and super comfortable as well. You've got a set of speakers in the back seat, and if you look, that's a little dark there, but I think you can see the headliner is excellent shape, and it shows up a little bit better in the pictures than it is showing up in the video right now. I don't know if it's a brand new headliner or what, but it looks like it. You've got the classic Mustang steering wheel with the steering wheel cover. You've got what looks to be an original dash, and if it's not, then it's done right, and you can see there's no cracks. You've got 7,300 miles on the odometer. I will make sure to post in the listing what I can find out about that and tell you how much of that is, if that's just true miles unknown, or if we're talking a true 7,300 mile car. You can see the Mach 1 badging there on your dash there, along with a clock. That, look at that, it works. Let's take a look under the hood. You've got the air induction style hood there. Oh, and let me show you, I guess, this side of the door as well. I started taking these videos, watching Adam take them, and the one thing I know is he wants to make sure everybody knows exactly what they're getting. And I'm having a tough time finding something wrong with this car. I mean, there's got to be something. I mean, that's dirt. Yeah, I just can't. This is a gorgeous car. I don't think I showed you close up yet from the hood before we open it up. Yeah, that's dirt. So again, still struggling to find something wrong with this car. And we'll have underbody photos as well. There's your Mustang badge. Gotta love that. And just like the rest of the car, look at this. Let's start out here. Look at the underside of the hood. When you see something like that, you know when you're talking about a 1960s car, the attention to detail that was paid, and what kind of restoration, what kind of rebuild you're talking. You've got that, I don't know what the word to use for other than, for some reason, if an air intake or air filter can be sexy, that one is. And you've got chrome valve covers with the 351 high performance badging on them that looks sharp. So we're talking about a gorgeous Ford Mustang here, previously part of a private collection and one that has been done right. And we just had some friends join us here. Maybe Adam wants to join us and start this up for us.
Yeah, sure, I'll start her up.
All right, here you go. You're gonna need the key to my pocket.
Yeah, heck yeah. All right, buddy.
Look at that. Listen to how it sounds. Look at the car. Look at the lines. Isaac, hey, look at this.
This is my son, IJ. Say hi, IJ.
Oh, he's being shy for once. That's the first. That's the first time that I've seen that. But
shut it off, IJ.
oh. All right. So, 1969 Ford Mustang Mach 1 Fastback. And Adam, I don't know that I saw 7,300 miles on the odometer.
When I bought this car, the guy said that the miles were believed to be actual 7,300 miles on this car, but I'm not going to make any guarantees on that. Yeah, IJ. I will in a minute. Okay?
We will in just a minute, buddy.
Okay. My son there, he wants to. We got some toy cars and a toy horse in there he wants to ride in. But that's what the guy told me when I got this car. There's 7,300 original miles. I'm not going to tell you that those miles are correct. I do not know. I can't actually prove that. So therefore, it is what it is. But this car is absolutely stunning, beautiful. Paint, body, the undercarriage, the interior, everything on this thing is just absolutely gorgeous. 351, automatic transmission. The body and paint on this thing are amazing.
And I did go through all the way around it and through all the details on it.
No, we won't do that, buddy.
Just hold this.
All right, I'll hold it.
So I can get my money out.
Buddy, are you gonna buy this car?
Oh, you're gonna buy this car?
Oh, I'm sorry, everybody. It's not for sale. Isaac's buying it. He's got 20. How much you got there? He's got 26 cents.
Oh,
So
all right.
I guess he's gonna get it. But so Travis went around the rest of the car with you. I just kind of happened to bop in here. But if you're looking for a '69 Mustang Mach 1, I wouldn't look any further. I mean, Wimbledon white, red interior, beautiful car, looks, runs, drives, excellent. Just can't believe the condition of this car. Just an absolute splendid car. I don't know if you showed him that, but the clock even works over here.
I did. I showed, yeah. I showed him it all, yeah. So give us our outro.
Well, the weather outside is not that great out. I mean, it's 35 degrees out, but they've already put salt and sand down the road, so I haven't been driving these cars down the road. I did run this car probably 2 blocks up the road and back and put a little gas at the gas station, and it runs and drives really, really well. I'm not going to put it through that torture of taking it out on the highway this time of year, but that's just my choice. But beautiful car. Kenyon Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450. KenyonAuto.com, KINIONAuto.com. We buy, sell, and trade collector cars, muscle cars, and regular inventory daily. Give us a call. We'd love to sell you this beautiful Mach 1 or maybe one of the other cars that we have in stock. We usually stock between 75 and 125 cars. Right now we probably got 115. Just depends on the day. We just got 15 new ones in. So you never know what we're going to get. So stay tuned to our YouTube channel, Kenyon Classics. That'd be great. That way you never miss another great collector car that we picture up and get in stock. So really appreciate everybody watching our videos. Travis has been doing a great job on the videos, and I'll do a few now and then when I have time. And I hope everybody has a great night. By the way, it does have power steering, power brakes. Nice options. Thanks, everybody.
Thank you, Adam.